Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Team Official channel. Today in my video tutorial, I will teach you how to make the video inside the text, or we can say the text zoom in. That is very most popular tutorial that a lot of people are trying to find this way or this method to make it inside the video. So today I will take you how to do that. Now the first you're gonna see on the left hand side here, you will see the color symbol. Click on that and choose the blank one. And after you have been already insert this, make sure that I'm sorry that I have create a lot of video track here, but don't worry about that. After you have been already choosing that, you go to add to the title and choose the title here and choose one just among of that. If you think you like, there are a lot of title here, but now we're gonna use this default one because it is easy to edit. Now double click on that and you will see an add one option here, and now we're gonna change whatever you want. So now we're gonna change to my name here, my channel names, and then go to change the font. Now we're gonna use impact font. Okay, now click OK, and the size should be more bigger to 125 size. So after you have been already setting up like this, you're gonna click on OK. And now thing that we're gonna do next is we are going to click on here and the screenshot. Now I'm gonna choose the screenshot or snapshot here. Okay, after you have clicking on a snapshot, you will see something that appearing like this. And now okay, now go ahead and delete all these two track here because we don't need it more, and we already have this one. So now we go ahead and click on insert here for this place. And the step we gonna do one more thing is right click on that and select on crops and zoom here. So go ahead and click on that and then go to pan and zoom. In this place you will see something that there are two different parts between among side and the other outside part and inside part. So make sure that you have click on the first is on the outside part. So click on that and you need to crop something that you want to make it fit to your screen for the outside part, but the inside part is to make that it is zoom in. So you need to this is the middle of the zoom here. So to make sure that you have to make it smaller and then drag it to the middle of the side here, because it is in the zoom of that place is the middle point of zooming. So after you have already setting up like this, we're gonna click on OK, and then we're gonna start to play what is happening now. You will see something like this. It takes too much slower because your video is too long here. So you're gonna right click on that to make it short by right click on that and choose on duration. It generally it is a 5 minutes or 5 seconds, but I recommend you to set it to the point the points and 25 here. This is a short second of that video to make it more faster. And then now gonna play it again. It shows something. You will see something that is more faster than ever. So if you want to be more shorter, so you're gonna do one like this. Okay, now I'm gonna showing you like this. Okay, and now we have already once, but we recommend you to now I'm gonna delete this one first, and we set it in, and now we're gonna play it again, and you will see the last clip like this, the last frame like this. Now make sure that you have one more snapshot by screenshot this one. Okay, and now drag it to that place, and the minute is too long, so gonna make more shorter by going to 5 seconds. Okay, 0 and 5 seconds like this. So to make it so it is 5 seconds. When you have 5 seconds, you need to right click on the last frame here. This is the last one. Right click on that and select on crop and zoom here. And now go to pan and zoom. And this place you will see something that is a black part. You will see something that is a completely black part. So you need to make it to fit to the screen here. So you need to right click on, no need to right click, you gotta click on outside here, not in this red circle here. So click on the outside part and drag something that is more fitter. If your video is more fitter, you don't need to change anything, because sometimes it can be shake everything depending on your hands moving. And now when you see something that is properly working like this, so now go ahead and click on inside part, and this one is the middle point. So we're doing the same way of the last frame here. So to make it more, zoom into the middle point. So you need to make it smaller like this and drag it to the middle point of the zoom. And now we're gonna play that video again. What is happening now? Okay, now we have something that is completely in the black, because we didn't set it or drag it to the fit to the screen. So don't worry about that, but when you do it your own self, you will make it to be a more fitter. And after that, now this time we're gonna add the videos just below these two tracks. So now I have one free video background here. Okay, this video is here. It is free. Now go ahead and drag it, or you can import it directly from the last clip video. So now we're gonna drag it to this place, and it looks like the video is too much long, but don't worry about it, because the video should be longer than the first two clips. So now the thing that we're gonna do next is double click on the video tracks on this layer here, and you will see something that is called compositing here. So click on drop down menu and choose the multiply here, and you will see something that is appearing inside the text for the first one. And next is we going to the second one, is double tap on that and doing the same way. So now go to click that and click on multiply, and here you ask it's all working. Now I'm gonna mute some audio. uh, okay, now let's get played is what happening now. Okay, here you are. This is the video how you can add the text inside the video zoom here. So thank you for watching my video tutorial. And if you have any question, just give me a comment below the video and I will respond to you as soon as possible. So now I'm gonna play it again to clarify you. Okay, now it works. So thank you for watching.